siya guys. So nanonood kami ngayon ng program dahil yung mother niya is isa siyang kandidata sa parents night namin. Yes.
Good evening, parents.
So subscribe sa kanyang channel, Aina Vlogger.
Tonight, gather in
And update ko kayo yung mga susunod na mangyayari guys. Look at your view.
Okay, while waiting for the arrival of our queen, may we have this last piece. That is true, Ma'am Jo.
So for today's
With
video is
Indonesia
mamimigay kami ngayon ng pera dito sa
57th founding anniversary. We are not still breaking barriers and set new standards.
Yes, Patricia Lagalo and
Pag kami sumikat, kukunin ko
Good
kayo.
evening, esteemed guests.
so ayan guys, abangan nyo na ang mga susunod na mangyayari dahil marami pa kayo. So ayan na nga guys, here's the parents night tonight guys.
Above the